body when I was 2.5 years old. Shortly after turning 5, my family started taking Taekwondo classes, where I was in 1997. I still remember the first time my brother and I competed. It was in Burlington and we were by reach trophy, which I still have. As I reached higher levels, our family needs to focus on other things and we started playing really well. I thought my Taekwondo journey was over, but 3 years later, things had settled down and my parents and I returned to the US. I was 15 years old and had turned out who I was. Right away, I made new friends, but I had some significant learning disabilities that I made remembering the forms, start with friends, and study guides really hard for me. I would spend months trying to remember half of the forms to get it straight, and the study guides were horrible. Naturally talks about muscle memory, which is when you practice so much your muscles remember what they did without thinking about it. 2010 must have been the year my muscles had started remembering things. All of a sudden, it wasn't hard for me to remember the forms, and I could start to focus on the small things. It was also the year my parents stopped at us, and it was really exciting to go through the whole process with us. I also joined the village shuttle team that year, and that's made me practice yelling for months and months. I also completed my first video tournament. Since returning to Taekwondo, I got first place in form, sparring, and rating. And I got a first medal. Weight track still now. This was 2010 was the most amazing year. I played a lot of sports, track and field, cross country, basketball, 2 soccer teams, and ultimate frisbee. But my love is Taekwondo. Like most of us, I've had my share of injuries, bruises, sore muscles. I even need stitches after one of the holiday parties here. Don't ask. But my mom and dad always encouraged me to keep working. Testing for my black belt means the world to me. It symbolizes perseverance and commitment, never giving up. I have faced and will continue to face many difficult challenges in my life. Earning my black belt will always remind me that I can face these challenges and be successful. My black belt will be a constant reminder of what I can accomplish and for the perseverance and I would not be here today without a lot of people. I want to thank all the instructors and interns, past and present, for their help. I'd like to thank all the students and fellow team members that I have studied with. You've made the classes fun, and I've learned a lot from each of you. I'd like to thank Mr. Lindsay for literally watching over me during many nights of practice and making sure I had something to eat before class. Oh, and thank you for sharing the trips. A special thanks to Ms. Driscoll. You're an awesome mentor and friend. You've encouraged me to work hard here at Taekwondo, at home, and at school. I know I can always count on you being there for me. I would like to thank my board holders, my mom, dad, Jonathan, Andrew, Joey, Mr. Cooper, and Mr. Hoffman for making it a good night. And a big thank you to Andrew and Jonathan again for being my Christian school partners. I appreciate all the time you spent working with me and all your patience. I want to thank Master Lee for everything he's done for me and my family. You've been a great role model and I've become an important part of my life. Most of all, I want to thank my parents. They have encouraged me, spent hours helping me study and pushed me to do things I didn't think I could do. Taekwondo has provided many hours of family time. For example, my mom was my self-defense partner tonight. I picked her, I'm sure, and I'll go with her. Eddie, I was